The following segment is sponsored by Partners in Primary Care.
One medical group in the upstate is dedicated to senior-focused primary care. At Partners in Primary Care, they believe patients deserve to feel as welcome and comfortable as possible when they're sick, injured, or just maintaining their health. Joining us now is Dr. Erica Savage Jeter, Regional Medical Director for Partners in Primary Care. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
First, for people not familiar with Partners in Primary Care, you've got 7 locations across the upstate, and you're focused on seniors. So tell us what that senior-focused care means, how it ensures the best care for your patients.
Sure. So we know that as we all grow older, that there are things that will change, and there needs to be a unique approach to managing those things. And so Partners in Primary Care is focused on just that. First, identifying the changes that happen naturally as we age and making sure that we can manage those complications or those problems so that we can keep our seniors healthy and happy.
And I know these practices, they operate with real respect for patients' time, schedule, and their own vision for their health. How do you do that?
So again, our focus is the patient, and we want our patients to have a great experience when they come into our centers. And so we design our schedule so that we spend most of our time face-to-face with our patients. We don't want our patients waiting in the waiting room or doing something idly waiting on us. We want that to be productive time where we're spending managing chronic diseases or learning how to stay healthy.
Absolutely. Well, prior to COVID, I know Partners in Primary Care organized a lot of community center events, a lot of activities, but now in order to keep patients engaged, you've got virtual community events. Talk about those events and the impact they have for your patients.
Sure. So COVID really caused us to have to change the way we connect with people, how we communicate with people. Just as we're doing this interview virtually, we had to come up with ways to stay connected with the community. And so we're offering virtual programming, again, like this, where our patients or prospective patients or people who are just interested in Partners in Primary Care can take virtual tours of our center, can participate in virtual bingo. We use Facebook Live, just a lot of applications, again, just to help us stay connected to the community, to our patients, or people who would like to be our patients.
Yeah, and staying connected is so important for everyone, especially seniors. We want them to stay on top of their health. And we hear too many stories of people skipping their medical appointments these days. What do you want viewers to consider?
Don't do that. You want to make sure you stay connected with your primary care physician. You need to go in regularly. You need to make sure that everything's functioning as it has been, making sure nothing new is trying to creep up on you, but just making sure you're continuing to have a relationship, building a relationship with your provider so that he or she may be able to continue to take care of you with time.
You've got locations in Anderson, Greer, Greenville, Seneca, and Spartanburg. For people watching who want to find their nearest Partners in Primary Care location, they can visit seniorfocusedupstate.com or call the number on screen 661-4750. Anything else you want people to know, Doctor, that makes Partners in Primary Care so special?
Well, I think what makes us so special is that our primary goal is to create a relationship with our patient. And so in doing that, we know we can partner with the patient to make sure they have the best outcomes. So Partners in Primary Care is really, truly about partnering with you as a patient, respecting what your wishes are, but also helping you to stay healthy.
Wonderful. Dr. Erica Savage Jeter, Partners in Primary Care, thanks so much for being here. We hope to check in with you again soon.